中国 FH-97A 无人机的历史、现状与未来概述。1. 引言。在2024年珠海航展上，中国展示了一款具有里程碑意义的无人机 Feihong FH-97A。这款被称为忠诚一人的无人机，旨在与中国的先进战斗机如 J-20和 J-35协同作战，标志着中国在无人作战系统 UAS 领域的重要进展。FH-97A 的推出不仅是中国军事技术发展的重要里程碑，也预示着全球无人机技术竞争的加剧。2. 关键特性与功能。FH-97A 的设计体现了现代武器发展的4大趋势：无人化、小型化、智能化和隐身性。其主要特性包括： 1. 武器能力。 FH-97A 配备了增强型武器舱，能够发射空对空和空对地的弹药，包括 PL-15 和 PL-10导弹。PL-15 导弹的作战范围达到100公里，适合执行远程空中打击任务，而 PL-10 则用于近距离空战。2. 发射系统。 FH-97A 采用 CATOBAR 弹射起飞系统，能够从航空母舰快速发射，增强了其在海洋作战中的应用能力。这一设计使得 FH-97A 在高速度下具备更好的稳定性和机动性。3. 作战统帅能力。 FH-97A 不仅能够独立执行高强度作战任务，还能领导小型无人机群进行协同作战，极大地增强了整体作战效能。3. 历史背景与发展。 FH-97A 的概念和设计最早在2021年珠海航展上首次亮相，随后在2022年进行了技术升级。随着中国对无人机技术的不断投入， FH-97A 的推出被视为对美国协作作战飞机 CCA 计划的有力回应，表明中国在无人作战技术领域的决心和能力。4. 军事战略与未来展望。军事分析人士认为， FH-97A 在未来战争中的角色将至关重要，尤其是在无人机与反无人机技术的竞争中。尽管 FH-97A 展现出强大的战斗能力，但中国可能需要至少5年的时间才能实现大规模部署。FH-97A 的成功部署将使中国在空优技术的竞争中占据更有利的位置。FH-97A 与 J-35战斗机的潜在协同作战可能会改变未来的空中战斗战略。两者结合后， FH-97A 将作为前线保护者，执行侦察、打击敌机和提供防空掩护等任务，降低有人驾驶飞机的风险。5. 元间差异。各个来源对 FH-97A 的描述在细节上有所不同。例如 Sofrap 强调了 FH-97A 作为对抗美国空中优势的关键角色，而 Bulgarian Military 则更注重其与 J-35的协同作战能力。Financial Times 的分析则提出了 FH-97A 在未来战争中的重要性，预测无人机与反无人机技术的竞争将成为军事对抗的核心。6. 时间线总结。2021年 FH-97A 首次在珠海航展上亮相。2022年对 FH-97A 进行技术升级。2024年在珠海航展上展示全新功能，标志着中国无人机技术的最新进展。7. 结论。总体而言， FH-97A 的推出不仅是中国无人机技术发展的里程碑，也是全球军事技术竞争的重要方面。随着技术的不断演进， FH-97A 可能成为现代战争中不可或缺的战斗力量。其设计和功能的多样性将使其在未来的军事冲突中扮演更加重要的角色，尤其是在无人机与有人驾驶飞机的协同作战中。未来 FH-97A 可能会与其他先进战斗机共同形成强大的空中作战体系，进一步推动中国在全球军事技术领域的话语权和影响力。
The Feihong FH-97A drone represents a significant advancement in China's military technology, specifically in the realm of unmanned aerial systems (UAS). Its development, highlighted at the 2024 Zhuhai Airshow, marks a critical point in China's strategy to enhance its aerial combat capabilities and respond to global military developments, particularly those of the United States. Key features and strategic importance. 1. Collaborative combat role. The FH-97A is designed to work alongside advanced manned fighters like the J-20 and J-35. This loyal wingman concept allows it to lead drone swarms or accompany fighter jets on missions, enhancing their operational effectiveness. This role is particularly relevant given the increasing reliance on unmanned systems in modern warfare. 2. Advanced weaponry. Equipped with an enhanced weapons bay, the FH-97A can deploy a variety of munitions, including air-to-air missiles like the PL-15 and PL-10. The PL-15, with a range of approximately 100 kilometers, positions the FH-97A to engage enemy aircraft from a safe distance, minimizing risks to manned platforms. 3. Stealth and speed. The drone's design incorporates stealth features, allowing it to operate in contested environments. Its aerodynamic profile reduces radar visibility and enhances performance during high-speed operations, making it an effective platform for reconnaissance and strike missions. 4. CATOBAR launch capability. The ability to launch from aircraft carriers using a catapult-assisted takeoff system symbolizes a strategic shift for the Chinese Navy, enabling rapid deployment of the FH-97A in maritime operations. This capability expands the operational reach of Chinese naval forces, particularly in the South China Sea. 5. Autonomous operations. While the FH-97A can operate independently, its integration with manned aircraft enhances situational awareness and battlefield effectiveness. The drone can perform complex missions, including reconnaissance and target acquisition, without endangering pilot lives. Historical context and development timeline. 2021, the FH-97A made its debut at the Zhuhai Airshow, indicating China's intent to develop advanced unmanned systems. 2022, the drone underwent significant upgrades, showcasing rapid advancements in technology and capability. 2024, the latest iteration was unveiled, reflecting ongoing investments in UAS development and a strategic pivot towards more integrated air combat systems. Counterintuitive insights. 1. Delayed deployment despite advancements. While the FH-97A showcases cutting-edge technology, analysts suggest that it may take at least 5 years for China to achieve large-scale deployment. This indicates that despite rapid development, practical implementation and integration into existing military structures pose significant challenges. 2. Focus on collaborative combat over individual superiority. The FH-97A's design emphasizes collaboration with manned aircraft rather than seeking to replace them. This reflects a paradigm shift in military strategy, where the combination of piloted and unmanned systems is seen as more effective than relying solely on advanced manned fighters. 3. Technological competition versus military strategy. The race to develop advanced drones like the FH-97A and the U.S. Collaborative Combat Aircraft (CCA) illustrates a broader technological competition that may not directly correlate with military effectiveness. The emphasis on technological superiority can overshadow the complexities of operational deployment and tactical execution in real-world scenarios. 4. Potential overestimation of stealth. While the FH-97A's stealth characteristics are touted as crucial for its operational success, the evolving nature of radar and counter-drone technologies may diminish these advantages. As adversaries develop better detection systems, the effectiveness of stealth may be challenged, necessitating continuous innovation. 5. Interoperability challenges. The integration of the FH-97A with existing Chinese fighter jets like the J-20 and J-35 raises questions about interoperability and training. Ensuring that pilots can effectively collaborate with drones in combat scenarios is a complex task that requires significant investment in doctrine and training programs. Future implications. The FH-97A is poised to play a pivotal role in China's military strategy, particularly in its quest for air superiority and dominance in the Asia-Pacific region. As unmanned systems become increasingly central to modern warfare, the FH-97A could redefine combat dynamics, particularly in scenarios involving high-intensity conflicts with advanced adversaries. The collaboration between the FH-97A and manned fighters may serve as a model for future military engagements where the integration of autonomous systems is crucial for operational success. However, the challenges of deployment, integration, and countering evolving threats will shape the future trajectory of both the FH-97A and China's broader military capabilities. In summary, the Feihong FH-97A represents a significant leap forward for China's military technology, embodying advanced capabilities that could change the dynamics of air combat. However, the complexities of deployment and the evolving nature of warfare suggest that its impact will depend on effective integration and adaptation to future challenges. The Feihong FH-97A drone represents a significant leap in unmanned aerial system (UAS) technology designed specifically to complement China's advanced fighter jets, such as the J-20 and J-35. Its unveiling at the 2024 Zhuhai Airshow not only highlights China's growing capabilities in drone technology but also emphasizes a crucial shift in modern warfare dynamics where unmanned systems are increasingly integrated into combat strategies alongside manned aircraft. Overlooked aspects of the FH-97A. 1. Operational integration with manned aircraft. While many reports focus on the FH-97's capabilities as an independent combat drone, its potential to operate seamlessly with manned aircraft is often understated. The significance lies in its role as a loyal wingman capable of enhancing the operational effectiveness of piloted jets while reducing human risks. This integration could redefine air combat strategies, allowing for more complex and dangerous missions to be executed with less risk to pilots. The concept of a loyal wingman is not just about having an additional asset on the battlefield, it represents a fundamental shift in how air superiority and tactical advantage are achieved. 2. Advanced launch capabilities. The FH-97A utilizes a CATOBAR catapult-assisted takeoff but arrested recovery system, allowing it to be launched from aircraft carriers efficiently. This feature is particularly significant in the context of naval operations where the ability to deploy drones from limited deck space can enhance maritime strike capabilities and provide critical support to naval air operations. The emphasis on carrier compatibility allows for rapid deployment and greater flexibility in maritime engagements, aspects that may be overlooked when focusing solely on its aerial combat capabilities. 3. Stealth and design efficiency. Reports often mention the stealth features of the FH-97A, but the implications of its design are crucial. The drone's aerodynamics, including a sleek body and dual V-tail configuration, not only reduce radar signature but also enhance maneuverability and fuel efficiency during high-speed operations. The engineering behind the FH-97A's design reflects a sophisticated understanding of both stealth technology and the practical requirements of aerial combat. This efficiency could lead to longer operational ranges and more sustained engagements critical in modern warfare scenarios. 4. Potential for autonomous operations. While the FH-97A is capable of operating in tandem with manned aircraft, its design suggests a high degree of autonomy. This capability is significant in future warfare where the ability to execute missions without direct human control could reduce response times and allow for complex decision-making in the heat of battle. The implications of autonomous drones functioning alongside human pilots could redefine command and control structures within air forces, allowing for real-time adjustments and tactical flexibility that traditional models cannot achieve. 5. Role in counter-drone warfare. As drone technology proliferates, so does the need for effective counter-drone strategies. The FH-97's design and capabilities could make it a key player in this emerging battlefield dimension. Its ability to conduct reconnaissance and relay intelligence in real time, coupled with its combat capabilities, positions it as a potential counter to enemy drone swarms and other unmanned threats. This aspect is often overshadowed in discussions focused on its offensive capabilities, yet it could become increasingly relevant as drone warfare becomes more prevalent. 6. Geopolitical implications. The development of the FH-97A is not merely a technological advancement, it carries significant geopolitical weight. As China seeks to establish itself as a leader in military technology, the FH-97A symbolizes a direct challenge to U.S. air dominance and the broader balance of power in the Asia-Pacific region. The competitive nature of drone development, with both the US and China investing heavily in their respective programs, underscores a new era of military rivalry that extends beyond traditional platforms to include advanced unmanned systems. 7. Adaptation for diverse combat roles. The FH-97A is designed for a range of combat roles, including air superiority, ground attack, and electronic warfare. Its versatility allows it to adapt to various mission profiles, making it an invaluable asset across multiple theaters of operation. This adaptability is significant in dynamic combat environments where the nature of threats can change rapidly. And the ability to pivot between roles can provide a tactical advantage that may be overlooked when assessing its capabilities through a narrow lens. Significance of these aspects. The significance of these overlooked elements lies in their potential to transform military operations and strategies. The FH-97A is not just a new drone, it represents a shift in how air combat will be conducted in the future. As nations invest in advanced drone technologies, the implications for warfare tactics and international relations will be profound. The integration of drones like the FH-97A into existing military frameworks could lead to new operational doctrines that prioritize unmanned systems, fundamentally altering the landscape of modern conflict. Understanding these facets of the FH-97A is crucial for military analysts, policymakers, and defense strategists as they navigate the complexities of contemporary and future warfare. The ability to recognize and anticipate the evolving role of drones in military operations will be essential in maintaining strategic advantages and ensuring national security in an increasingly technologically advanced battlefield. Sure. Here are 4 valuable points for in-depth analysis and discussion regarding the history, present, and future of China's FH-97A drone. 1. Technological advancements and features. The FH-97A represents a significant leap in drone technology, embodying the 4 major trends in modern military systems: unmanned operation, miniaturization, intelligence, and stealth. Its ability to operate autonomously while leading swarms of smaller drones showcases a shift towards more sophisticated unmanned combat operations. This capability not only enhances the drone's effectiveness in combat scenarios but also reduces risks associated with manned missions. The integration of advanced features such as enhanced weapons bays for air-to-air and air-to-ground munitions, as well as the CATOBAR launch system for rapid deployment from naval platforms, positions the FH-97A as a formidable asset in modern warfare. Analyzing these advancements can provide insights into the future of aerial combat and the role of drones as force multipliers. 2. Strategic military implications. The introduction of the FH-97A is a strategic response to the evolving landscape of aerial warfare, particularly in relation to the United States Collaborative Combat Aircraft (CCA) program. This rivalry highlights the global arms race in unmanned aerial systems and the increasing importance of integrating drones with manned fighter jets. The potential for the FH-97A to operate in tandem with advanced Chinese fighters like the J-20 and J-35 could alter air combat strategies, allowing for enhanced reconnaissance, threat detection, and enemy engagement. As military analysts predict a growing competition between drone and anti-drone technologies, understanding the strategic implications of the FH-97A's deployment will be crucial for assessing future military conflicts and power dynamics in the Asia-Pacific region. 3. Historical context and development timeline. The FH-97A's development trajectory provides critical context for its current capabilities and future potential. Initially unveiled in 2021, the drone has undergone significant upgrades that reflect China's increasing investment in unmanned aerial technology. The timeline of its evolution not only illustrates the rapid pace of technological advancement in the Chinese military but also emphasizes the urgency with which China is pursuing UAV capabilities in the face of perceived threats from rival nations. This historical perspective can help frame discussions on how military innovations often reflect broader geopolitical tensions and the drive for national security. 4. Future outlook and challenges. While the FH-97A boasts impressive capabilities, experts suggest it may take at least 5 years for China to achieve large-scale deployment. This timeline raises questions about the operational readiness of the drone and the challenges associated with integrating it into existing military frameworks. Additionally, the anticipated competition between drone and anti-drone technologies could present both opportunities and obstacles for the FH-97A's effectiveness in future conflicts. Exploring these future challenges, including technological hurdles, resource allocation, and potential countermeasures from adversaries, will be essential for understanding the broader implications of the FH-97A on global military strategies and security considerations. By focusing on these 4 points, one can engage in a comprehensive analysis of the FH-97A's significance in the context of modern warfare and its potential impact on future military engagements. 1. The Northrop Grumman X-47B. The X-47B is an unmanned combat air vehicle UCAV developed by Northrop Grumman for the United States Navy. This drone was designed to operate from aircraft carriers and conduct precision strikes. It features advanced stealth capabilities and is capable of conducting autonomous or remotely piloted missions. Like the FH-97A, it represents a significant step in integrating unmanned aerial systems into naval operations and showcases the potential for drones to act as loyal wingmen alongside manned fighter aircraft, enhancing operational flexibility and combat effectiveness. 2. The Boeing MQ-25 Stingray. The MQ-25 Stingray is an unmanned aerial refueling system developed by Boeing for the U.S. Navy. Its primary role is to extend the range of carrier-based aircraft, allowing them to operate more effectively in combat situations. The MQ-25 is designed to work in conjunction with manned aircraft similar to the FH-97A's role alongside the J-35 and J-20. Its introduction signifies a shift toward integrating unmanned systems into traditional carrier operations, which aligns with the growing trend of utilizing drones to support and enhance the capabilities of piloted aircraft. 3. The General Atomics MQ-1 Predator. The MQ-1 Predator is a remotely piloted aircraft that has been widely used by the U.S. military for reconnaissance and strike missions. It marked a pivotal moment in the evolution of drone warfare, demonstrating the effectiveness of unmanned systems in modern combat. The Predator's ability to provide real-time intelligence and conduct precision strikes from a safe distance has influenced military strategies globally. Its operational model of combining intelligence gathering with combat capabilities parallels the envisioned roles of the FH-97A within the Chinese military framework, emphasizing the importance of drones in future warfare. Future outlook, predictions for the FH-97A and unmanned aerial systems in China. The Feihong FH-97A drone represents a significant evolution in China's military capabilities, particularly regarding unmanned aerial systems (UAS). As we look forward to the future, several key predictions can be made about the FH-97A and the broader implications for military strategy, technology, and geopolitical dynamics. 1. Integration with manned aircraft. As the FH-97A is designed to function as a loyal wingman to advanced fighter jets like the J-20 and J-35, future operational scenarios will likely see a seamless integration of manned and unmanned platforms. This will not only enhance the combat effectiveness of Chinese air forces but also allow for more complex mission profiles. The synergy between these aircraft can lead to innovative tactics such as using the FH-97A for reconnaissance and electronic warfare, thereby allowing manned fighters to focus on offensive and defensive operations without exposing pilots to unnecessary risks. 2. Advancements in autonomy and AI. The future development of the FH-97A will likely involve significant advancements in artificial intelligence (AI) and autonomous systems. The ability for drones to operate independently while still being controlled from a distance will become increasingly sophisticated. In combat scenarios, this could mean that the FH-97A can make real-time decisions based on battlefield conditions such as selecting targets or avoiding threats, thus enhancing its survivability and effectiveness. 3. Counter unmanned aerial systems (CUAS) competition. As the FH-97A and similar drones become more prevalent, the military focus on counter unmanned aerial systems (CUAS) will intensify globally. The future warfare landscape will likely see a dual arms race, one focused on enhancing drone capabilities and the other on developing technologies to detect, intercept, and neutralize these threats. This dynamic will shape military procurements and technological research investments in both China and its potential adversaries. 4. Operational deployment timeline. Despite current assessments suggesting that it may take at least 5 years for the FH-97A to achieve widespread operational deployment, advancements in technology and increased budget allocations could accelerate this timeline. By 2030, we may see the FH-97A fully integrated into the People's Liberation Army Air Force (PLAF) and deployed in strategic operations, particularly in contested regions such as the South China Sea and along the Taiwan Strait. 5. Global military balance shift. The introduction and deployment of the FH-97A could shift the strategic balance in Asia-Pacific, especially concerning U.S. air superiority. As China enhances its capabilities with the FH-97A, it may embolden its posture in regional disputes, potentially leading to increased tensions with neighboring countries and the United States. This shift could prompt a re-evaluation of military strategies by regional powers, leading to new alliances or defense initiatives focused on countering China's growing aerial capabilities. 6. Evolution of warfare tactics. The tactical landscape of warfare will evolve with the integration of drones like the FH-97A. Future combat scenarios may prioritize joint operations involving swarms of drones supporting manned aircraft or engaging in electronic warfare, reconnaissance, and strike missions. This evolution will necessitate new training protocols and strategic doctrines, emphasizing the importance of understanding both human and machine collaboration in modern warfare. 7. Technological innovations and export potential. As China continues to develop and refine the FH-97A, there may be opportunities for export to allied nations looking to enhance their own military capabilities. The potential for the FH-97A to become a significant player in the global arms market could lead to increased Chinese influence in international military relations and technology sharing. Countries seeking to modernize their air forces may view the FH-97A as a cost-effective solution compared to Western alternatives. 8. Cybersecurity and electronic warfare. The reliance on advanced technologies will also raise concerns regarding cybersecurity threats. Future developments of the FH-97A will need to incorporate robust cyber defense mechanisms to prevent adversaries from hijacking or disabling the drone. Additionally, the FH-97A's role in electronic warfare could expand, allowing it to disrupt enemy communications and radar systems, thus creating a multi-dimensional battlefield environment. Conclusion. The FH-97A is poised to reshape the future of Chinese military aviation and the broader landscape of unmanned warfare. As technological advancements continue to unfold, the implications for military strategy, geopolitical dynamics, and the evolution of warfare will be profound. The next decade will be critical in defining the capabilities and operational roles of drones like the FH-97A, making it an essential element of modern military power.